Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use an electric pencil sharpener. This will be a full tutorial and a complete tutorial, so let's get right into the video. All that you'll need is a pencil sharpener that is electric, just like this one, and a pencil that needs to be sharpened, just like this one. The first step is to obviously plug the pencil sharpener in. As you can see, I have it plugged in right there to the wall outlet. The next step is to figure out where you have to insert the pencil. Now, in this case, there's just one hole and one slot over here. In other cases, there might be multiple holes that are for different sizes of pencils and different types of pencils. And in other cases, there's going to be one hole, but with an adjustment knob that will allow you to choose the type of sharpening that you want, what level of sharpening you want to achieve for that pencil. It all depends, but this is the most basic electric pencil sharpener that you can get your hands on. What you want to do is take your pencil, I'll move this a little bit further back, and you want to just insert it into the slot over there. Okay, so I'm just going to reach over like this, make sure you can see, yep, and you want to place the pencil in the slot and apply a little bit of pressure. When you apply a little bit of pressure to the pencil into that slot, it's going to start sharpening. And you want to pull it out every few moments just to check how sharp it is. You don't want to just let it go, okay? So we're just going to sharpen it a little bit, pull it out, and check on it. Okay, so you can hear it sharpening. Pull it out, check. If you take a look, it's sharp, but I feel like it could be a little bit more sharp, so we're going to sharpen it again. Pull it out and check. And I think that's good enough. As you can see, that is how to use an electric pencil sharpener. It's really easy to do, and it allowed me to sharpen this pencil really easily. And then there are ways that you can actually empty out the shavings and stuff like that, but I'll do that in a completely separate video. For this one, I wanted to show you how to use it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.